So the black-throated finch, it's a species of grass finch. Since European settlement, the range of the species has contracted, so there's currently two main populations left.
No one really knows the exact reasons for their decline. In order to try to stop the species declining, we can maintain a population of these birds. It's really important to know all these questions around what their diet is, what are the key parts of their habitat, why do they live in certain areas. So the Black-throated Finch Research Project is a 5-year project for the Carmichael coal mine. The project has key aims determining the home range and movements of that population of birds.
So we're looking at a number of different features to do with the black-throated finch, their habitat, their ecology, their feeding, and just gathering as much information as we can for the species. We colour band birds and put radio trackers on them. That helps with our population data and working out home ranges. We do 1 kilometre bird transects, surveying for the black-throated finch and then also recording all the other bird species. We do vegetation surveys within those 1 kilometre transects to try and quantify the vegetation and changes over time. We do water source watches, trying to ID as many of the colour-banded birds as possible so that we can understand how they're moving across the site.
We decided to use the bioacoustic recorders that allow us to automatically detect whether a species is in that area. So we can leave these devices out for 365 days a year. So it gives us that constant presence on the site effectively.
So it's terabytes and terabytes of audio data. It's impossible to manually screen through. At ETM, we're using machine learning techniques to do this automatic call recognition. There is a downside that you need a lot of training data in order to be able to train a robust model to find the calls. And therein lies one of ETM's key strengths, is that it's not just a data science exercise, it also needs a strong ecological knowledge so we can rectify where the BTF are in space and time.
2.5 years into that now. There's still a lot of work to do, but we're collecting huge amounts of data, which is very exciting. It just has really good applications for monitoring.
So this machine learning model and tools that we have developed can now be repurposed in other environments for other types of species.